Hello. Welcome back to Lifetime Growth, where we help you become the best version of yourself. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Today's topic is going to be intense as we'll be talking about the traits that are markers of a low-value man. Now, the term low-value man has become a popular phrase in recent times, especially in the realm of dating and relationships. A low-value man is someone who fails to uphold basic values and principles that make a man worthy of respect, admiration, and love. He lacks self-awareness, empathy, and positive qualities that make him an attractive and valuable partner. Instead, he exhibits certain traits and behaviors that make him undesirable as a partner or friend. It's important to recognize these traits so that you can avoid relationships with low-value men and instead focus on building a happy relationship with a man of high value and dignity. Let's examine 7 identifying traits of a low-value man. The first and foremost identifying trait of a low-value man is lack of integrity. He doesn't have a moral compass, and he's willing to compromise his values and principles for personal gain. Moreover, he may engage in unethical or immoral behavior. He lies, cheats, and manipulates others to get what he wants. He doesn't keep his promises and is often unreliable and untrustworthy. He doesn't have any sense of accountability and is always looking for someone else to blame for his problems. Women find it highly unattractive because they want a man who can be counted on to keep his word and behave responsibly. A man who lacks integrity is seen as unreliable and unpredictable, making it difficult for women to build a strong and healthy relationship with him. Lack of ambition and direction. A man who lacks ambition is someone who has no goals, no direction, and no drive. He is content with living an average life and doesn't strive to achieve anything beyond that. This lack of ambition can be seen in his professional life, personal life, and relationships. He may have a dead-end job, lack hobbies or interests, and be emotionally uninvolved in his relationships. It can be a red flag that the man is not willing to put in the effort required to achieve success or build a fulfilling relationship. Disrespectful behavior. A low-value man also exhibits disrespectful behavior toward others. This can manifest in various ways, such as belittling others, being rude or dismissive, or being verbally or physically abusive. Disrespectful behavior can be a major caution in a relationship, as it indicates a lack of respect for others' feelings and boundaries. It's important to recognize these behaviors early on and address them, as they can be harmful to both the individual and the relationship. Lack of self-awareness. It means he does not have a clear understanding of his thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Such a man may not be able to recognize his flaws and may not be open to feedback or criticism. He may also struggle to understand the impact his actions have on others. A man who lacks self-awareness may not be able to grow or improve as a person. Emotional immaturity. Such men have difficulty managing their emotions and often act out in ways that are inappropriate and childish. They may throw tantrums, sulk, or become aggressive when they do not get their way. They may also struggle with communication and have a hard time expressing their feelings healthily and constructively. An emotionally immature man is seen as a liability in a relationship because he may become overly dependent on his partner for emotional support. Lack of financial responsibility. He doesn't know how to manage his finances, and he's often living paycheck to paycheck. He doesn't have any savings and is often in debt. He lacks long-term financial goals and is frequently spending money on unnecessary things. He doesn't have any financial stability and relies on others for financial support over and over again. The last identifying trait of a low-value man is selfishness. A low-value man is typically selfish. He only thinks about himself and his needs, without considering the needs of others. This can manifest in various ways, such as being unwilling to compromise, being insensitive to others' feelings, lacking empathy, and only wanting things that benefit him. It can lead to controlling behavior and a lack of respect for others' boundaries. Such a man lacks a healthy and supportive relationship. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments below if this information proved to be beneficial to you. Take a moment to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications to receive updates on personal growth development and much more. Grow your mindset and let us continue this journey in the next video. Share moments, share growth. Take care.